Boost Mobile offers a streamlined process for suspending your line, whether it's due to a lost or stolen device or a planned vacation. Suspending your line immediately blocks calls, texts, and data usage, preventing unauthorized access and charges. For lost or stolen devices, suspension is crucial to prevent fraud and data theft. For vacation holds, you can pause service for up to 30 days. Both options preserve your phone number and data. As of 2025, Boost provides digital self-service tools via its app and website for these suspensions. To suspend your Boost Mobile line, log into the Boost Mobile app or My Account website. Select Suspend Service and choose the appropriate reason: lost, stolen, or vacation. Confirm your selection. If the device is stolen, reporting it to the police and obtaining a case number is crucial, especially for potential insurance claims. Suspensions for lost or stolen devices can last up to 90 days before reactivation is required. Vacation holds are limited to 30 days per request, with potential limits on the amount of holds per year. Billing is paused during suspension, but data and minutes won't accrue. Reactivation resumes your plan as normal. SIM card deactivation prevents unauthorized use on the line. As a security measure, international roaming is automatically blocked during holds.